Did you know that some of the world's most nutrient-dense foods aren't found in the produce aisle at your local supermarket? Nor are they trending on your favorite health blogs? Recent research shows that certain lesser-known superfoods can contain up to 3 times more antioxidants than the more popular choices. Yet most people have never even heard of them. This remarkable fact begs the question: what are we missing out on when we limit our definition of superfoods to just a handful of familiar faces? Superfoods. The word conjures up images of vibrant green kale, perfectly cooked quinoa, and perhaps a sprinkle of chia seeds. These foods have earned their reputations for being rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. But the world of superfoods expands far beyond these household names. At its core, a superfood is any natural food that's especially potent in nutrients and health benefits, often containing high levels of antioxidants, fiber, or healthy fats. Discovering new superfoods can be a game changer for your health, introducing fresh flavors, textures, and an array of powerful nutrients that your body might be missing. Broadening your dietary horizons not only supports a balanced nutrition profile, but also keeps meals exciting and diverse. A common misconception is that superfoods are limited to what's been popularized by media and marketing. Kale, quinoa, and blueberries are undeniably healthy, but they're just the tip of the iceberg. Focusing solely on these well-known options overlooks a treasure trove of equally, if not more, impressive foods from around the globe. The truth is, every region and culture has its own superfoods, often passed down through generations and used in traditional medicine. By expanding our awareness and embracing lesser-known superfoods, we can tap into a wealth of health benefits that go far beyond the mainstream. Let's journey into the world of unique superfoods and reveal some hidden gems that deserve a place on your plate. First up is amaranth, an ancient grain once revered by the Aztecs. Unlike common grains, amaranth is completely gluten-free and packed with high-quality protein. It contains lysine, an amino acid rarely found in grains, making it a complete protein source. Rich in calcium, iron, and magnesium, amaranth also boasts a generous dose of dietary fiber. Its slightly nutty flavor pairs well in porridge, as a side dish, or even popped like popcorn for a crunchy snack. Next, let's explore sacha inchi, sometimes called the Inca peanut. Native to the Amazon rainforest, these star-shaped seeds are an incredible source of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, much higher than flax seeds or chia seeds. Sacha inchi also provides protein and vitamin E, supporting heart and brain health. Its mild, nutty flavor makes it a great addition to trail mixes, salads, or smoothies. Moving east, we find moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree. Every part of the moringa plant is edible, but it's the leaves that have garnered the most attention. Ounce for ounce, moringa leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more potassium than bananas, and more calcium than milk. They're also loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. In many parts of the world, moringa powder is stirred into teas, soups, or sprinkled over dishes like you would with spinach. Another unique contender is teff, a tiny grain from Ethiopia. Despite its small size, teff is mighty in nutrients. It's rich in resistant starch, a type of fiber that supports gut health and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Teff also contains iron, calcium, and vitamin C, which is uncommon in grains. Traditionally used to make injera, a sourdough flatbread, teff can also be cooked into porridge, baked into muffins, or used as a gluten-free flour substitute. Let's not forget about sea buckthorn, a bright orange berry found along the coasts of Europe and Asia. This tart, tangy fruit is a powerhouse of vitamin C, containing up to 9 times more than oranges, as well as vitamin E, carotenoids, and omega-7 fatty acids, which are rare in most foods. Sea buckthorn can be enjoyed as a juice, blended into smoothies, or even made into jams and sauces. Now, for the most surprising superfood of all, black garlic. While regular garlic is already known for its health-promoting properties, black garlic takes things to another level. Produced by fermenting raw garlic bulbs under controlled heat and humidity for several weeks, black garlic develops a sweet, almost balsamic flavor and a soft, chewy texture. But the real magic lies in its nutrition. Studies have shown that black garlic contains significantly higher levels of antioxidants compared to its raw counterpart. It's been linked to improved heart health, better blood sugar control, and even enhanced immune function. In one notable study, participants who consumed black garlic regularly experienced lower cholesterol and reduced markers of inflammation. Incorporating black garlic into your diet is surprisingly easy. Add it to salad dressings, blend it into sauces, or simply spread it on toast. Its umami-rich flavor elevates any dish and offers a tasty way to reap its remarkable benefits. Let's quickly recap the superfoods we've explored. Amaranth, with its complete protein profile and ancient heritage, offers a gluten-free alternative to traditional grains. Sacha inchi seeds provide a plant-based source of omega-3s and vitamin E, supporting heart and brain health. Moringa leaves deliver a nutritional punch with their high vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content. Teff, the tiny Ethiopian grain, supports gut health and is rich in iron and calcium. Sea buckthorn berries pack an impressive array of vitamins and rare omega fatty acids, while black garlic stands out for its unique flavor and amplified antioxidant properties. The key takeaway is clear. By diversifying your diet with these lesser-known superfoods, you not only support better overall health, but also bring excitement and variety to your meals. Each of these foods comes with its own story, cultural significance, and unique set of benefits. Embracing them means nourishing your body in new and powerful ways. If you're ready to take your nutrition to the next level, don't forget to subscribe for more tips, discoveries, and inspiration on living your healthiest life. Your next favorite superfood could be just around the corner, so stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep exploring the incredible world of nutrition.